How to remove the headlights from the VW Polo 4. First, unscrew 2 screws with size Torx 27. The radiator grille is simply clipped out at the top. The radiator grille is then carefully pulled upwards. Three more Torx 27 screws must be removed from the front bumper. The remaining screws on the front bumper are at the bottom of the panel. The screws are Torx 25 size. First, remove the vehicle's underbody paneling. The front bumper is now secured with 4 plastic plugs, which can be pulled out with a little force. It is best to go under the dowel head with a side cutter. The protective cladding in the wheel arches must also be removed. This allows greater freedom of construction. As the headlights are each fixed with a plastic hook, this must also be unhooked. Remove the panels on the left and right side of the bumper. The temperature sensor is then clipped off. The front bumper is now only attached at 2 attachment points. The screws are Torx 27 size. Each spray nozzle of the headlight cleaning system is attached to the bumper with a screw. To access the screw, the spray nozzle must be pulled out and unclipped. The screws are Torx 25 size. Unfortunately, the nut turns together with the screw.
3:28 after midnight.
Pull the skirt off at the side with 2 people and then carefully remove it. As the skirt is a painted body part, you must be careful when removing it. The spray nozzle no longer held on the other side either. The headlights are screwed in place and can be easily loosened with a Torx 25. Before removal, the headlights should be marked with adhesive tape so that the old position can be restored during installation. Rusted Torx screws can also be removed with a 10 mm socket. As our Polo is equipped with a headlight cleaning system, this must first be removed. Torx 25 screws are again used here. The headlight can now be removed. Disconnect the headlight plug. This is a typical VW plug, which is unlocked by pulling the small lever.
Zwölf Sekunden später.
Six and a half hours later.
The plug can be loosened with a small screwdriver.
So, wie man deutlich erkennen kann, neuer Scheinwerfer blank und alter Scheinwerfer 20 Jahre alt, ausgeblichen. Politur nützt auch nicht sehr viel, also muss man leider tauschen. So, gut, jetzt Scheinpflege.
Jawohl,
Abblendlicht.
jawohl,
Fernlicht.
Blinker. Gut, jawohl. Also
So,
Abschaltelicht total, Fernlicht ja, nochmal Blinker vielleicht. Gut, jawohl.
The headlight can now be screwed on. Proceed with caution, as these are usually only plastic holders, which can also break off. The same procedure is carried out for the second headlight.
Kino.
So, jetzt läuft. Standlicht.
Jawohl.
Zündung. Abblendlicht.
Jawohl.
Fernlicht.
Jawohl. Blinker.
Blinker.
Jawohl. Vielen Dank.
Links. Blinker.
Jawohl.
Fernlicht.
Ja.
Aus.
Ja.
Fernlicht.
Jawohl.
Ende.
Alle beide funktionieren.
Gut.
The spray nozzles can now be installed. We used a larger self-tapping screw to attach this nozzle to the bumper. We made a bracket from sheet metal for the defective spray nozzle. Next, the bumper is reattached and screwed in place. The fixation of the headlights can also be used again. Finally, the wheel arches and the underbody protection are put back on the car. Finally, the radiator grille is fitted. The headlights can either be adjusted by a workshop or you can adjust the horizontal light edge to the correct height yourself. Turn the adjustment screw with a screwdriver until the light pattern fits. Many thanks for watching. See you next time.